from WMAR-2 News, Maryland's most accurate forecast.
With the rain already starting to move into the area and more forecasted as we head through the next 36 hours here. National Weather Service has issued a flood watch that's going to go into effect at around 1 o'clock tomorrow. And that's going to linger for most of our areas through 7 o'clock Friday morning here. And that's because rain is going to be moving through the area continuously, essentially. We're going to see rounds of rain push through the area. We're expecting totals from 1 to 3 inches, and some of those heavier numbers will be a little bit further south of the city. And the reason we're concerned is because areas that are low-lying that typically flood, areas where there are clogged drains, could all see some rising water here. And we want you to just at least be prepared for it as you're going about on Thursday into your Friday. Here's a look at radar right now, and we're seeing that first wave of rain move through the area here. Those darker greens indicating those heavier pockets of rain. And just to the north and west, we're also starting to see a little bit of mixing here as those winds are eventually coming from the east. It's a little bit cooler, and we're seeing some of that transition to sleet here. Not expecting that to be a widespread issue, but this conveyor belt of moisture is going to continue funneling all of this rain our way, not only today, but as we head through the day tomorrow and into Friday here. And we're going to see enough instability to see some strong to severe thunderstorms. We've seen tornado warnings that have already been verified in portions of Mississippi here. That main threat is going to stay to our south, but we are expecting the potential for some strong winds in the southernmost portions of our viewing area. That's going to include Talbot County. And we also do have the opportunity to see a brief spin up here. So here's how we get through the next day and a half here. By around midnight, expecting that rain to continue to funnel through the area. The numbers are going to fall to the mid-30s here, and by 8 o'clock, I'm expecting to see the heavier rain to the south, isolated showers to the northwest, hanging out in the 30s, and then we get into the 40s as we head into the afternoon. I'm expecting lulls in the afternoon. There will be some isolated showers, but the heavier rain won't come back into the forecast until we head into the overnight hours, where we start to see those numbers rise here. We're going to see that southerly flow warm the atmosphere up. Temperatures are going to get into the mid to upper 50s. Heavier rain as we head into Friday morning. We get a little bit of a lull, but we're going to be watching this as it starts to advance because the data has been suggesting some breezy winds along this line. So don't be surprised if it gets a little gusty as we head into your Friday. Rainfall totals, once again, a little bit lighter to the north and west, but we start to see those heavier numbers where we start to see that training effect as we head through the next day and a half. 7-day forecast shows temperatures in the 50s here. And as we head into the weekend, it gets a little bit cooler. We're falling into the 40s, up to 47 degrees on Sunday. That's going to be the best day to get out and about. And then rain returns as we head into next work week. All right.